Welcome dear students in your English class. As you knew that we are discussing about our first lesson, An Astrologer's Day, written by R.K. Narayan. Students, let's revise the points that we discussed in our previous video. You know that in our previous video we discussed about the title of the lesson, then information regarding the writer of this lesson, the beginning of the lesson focusing on an astrologer, his equipments and his appearance also. So now get ready for the further discussion of this lesson. या व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमातून आपण अन ॲस्ट्रोलॉजर्स डे या लेसनचा उर्वरित भाग डिस्कस करणार आहोत. Students, as you know that this astrologer, he spread out his business equipment and he was searching for customers. Actually, he sat under the boughs of a spreading tamarind tree which flagged a path running through the town hall park. So this astrologer, he was sitting under the branches of a huge tamarind tree, and that road was really important because that road is moving towards the town hall park. की ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर म्हणजे तो जो काही ज्योतिषी आहे त्याने त्याच्या व्यवसायाची साधन सामग्री समोर मांडली होती आणि हा ज्योतिषी त्या चिंचेच्या अवाढव्य पसरलेल्या झाडाच्या फांद्यांखाली बसला होता आणि ते चिंचेचे झाड ज्या रस्त्याच्या कडेला होते तो रस्ता म्हणजे टाउन हॉल पार्कच्या दिशेने जाणारा होता. It was a remarkable place in many ways. So that place where this astrologer was sitting, that place was having some importance. की ज्या ठिकाणी हा ज्योतिषी बसलेला होता त्या जागेला खास असं महत्त्व होतं. A surging crowd was always moving up and down this narrow road from morning till night. So that road was always crowded from morning till night. की सकाळपासून रात्रीपर्यंत त्या अरुंद अशा असणाऱ्या रस्त्यावरती सतत गर्दी होत असे. So now let's see what happened after this. So as you know that this astrologer was sitting under the tamarind tree and he was just running his business over there, and that area is near to that town hall park, and so a variety of trades and occupations was represented all along its way. So that area was really crowded and so many businessmen were doing their businesses and occupations over there. की त्या ठिकाणी अनेक प्रकारचे व्यवसाय आणि उद्योगधंदे चालत होते. So those occupations includes medicine sellers, औषधांची विक्री करणारे, सेलर्स ऑफ स्टोलन हार्डवेअर अँड जंक, की चोरलेल्या ज्या काही लोखंडी वस्तू किंवा भंगारातील ज्या काही वस्तू आहेत त्यांची विक्री करणारे, मॅजिशियन्स अँड अबव ऑल अँड ऑक्शनियर ऑफ चीप क्लोथ, त्याचबरोबर तिथे काही जादूगार होते, तसेच स्वस्त कपड्यांचा लिलाव देखील त्या ठिकाणी होत होता. Who created enough din all day to attract the whole town. And so because of all these qualities, people from that town, they were attracted towards this place. आणि या सर्व गोष्टींमुळेच शहराच्या प्रत्येक भागातून दिवसभर त्या ठिकाणी प्रचंड गर्दी होत होती. Then next to him in vociferousness, means being loud and noisy, came a vendor of fried groundnut. So near this astrologer, there was a one person who was selling fried groundnut. या ज्योतिषीच्या शेजारीच मोठ्याने ओरडत एक जण तळलेले शेंगदाणे देखील विकत होता. Who gave his wear a fancy name each day, calling it Bombay ice cream on one day, on the next Delhi almond, and on the third Raja's delicacy, and so on and so forth. And people flocked to him. So this fried groundnut vendor, means that seller, he was calling his groundnut with help of different names, and so because of these things, people were attracted towards him. की तो शेंगदाण्याची विक्री करणारा विक्रेता त्याच्या मालाला वेगवेगळी आणि मजेशीर अशी नावे देत असे आणि त्यामुळे लोकही त्याच्याकडे गर्दी करत होते. A considerable portion of this crowd dallied, means wasted time just hanging around before the astrologer too. So as you know that people were visiting that fried groundnut seller, and they were also stopping near the astrologer because astrologer was sitting so near to him की त्या शेंगदाणे विक्रेत्याकडे येणारे लोक हे ज्योतिषापाशी देखील गर्दी करत होते. So now students, let's focus on the routine of this astrologer. की त्या ज्योतिषीचा दिनक्रम काय होता याच्याविषयी आपण थोडी माहिती करून घेऊयात. The astrologer transacted his business by the light of a flare which crackled and smoked up above the groundnut heap nearby. So actually this astrologer, he was doing his business in the night with the help of the light coming from that groundnut heap nearby. की शेजारच्या शेंगदाण्यांच्या ढिगावरती ठेवलेल्या जो काही दिवा आहे त्या दिव्याच्या प्रकाशामध्ये हा ज्योतिषी देखील त्याचा व्यवसाय करत होता. Half the enchantment of the place was due to the fact that it did not have the benefit of municipal lighting. Actually, why this place was considered as a enchantment place or a little bit attractive place, because this place was not having any source of municipal lighting. So because of that, this place was considered as an enchantment of the place without that municipal lighting. की या ठिकाणाला जे काही जादूचे वलय प्राप्त झाले होते त्याचे निम्मे श्रेय म्हणजे नगरपालिकेने त्या ठिकाणी प्रकाशाची कोणतीच व्यवस्था केलेली नव्हती. The place was lit up by the shop lights. Though the municipal corporation, they didn't provide any light over that place, but this place was lit up by the different shop lights. की जरी नगरपालिकेने तिथे प्रकाशाची कोणतीही व्यवस्था केलेली नसली तरी देखील त्या ठिकाणी असणाऱ्या विविध दुकानातील दिव्यांमुळे ती जागा उजळून निघत होती. One or two had hissing gas lights, some had naked flares stuck on poles, some were lit up by old cycle lamps, and one or two, like the astrologer, managed without lights of their own. So people were using different sources of lights over there, though they are not getting municipal facilities. की तेथील विक्रेते वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टींचा वापर करून प्रकाशाची निर्मिती करत होते. काही लोकांकडे दिवे होते, त्याचबरोबर गॅसचे दिवे होते आणि त्याचबरोबर काही लोकांनी मशाली देखील पेटवलेला होता. तर काही विक्रेत्यांकडे जुने सायकलचे दिवे होते. But at the same time, there are some people or some sellers who were not having their own lights, but even though they were managing their business. की ज्योतिषासारखेच इतरही काही विक्रेते त्यांच्या स्वतःच्या दिव्यांशिवाय स्वतःचा व्यवसाय चालवत होते. It was a bewildering crisscross of light rays and moving shadows. की प्रकाश किरण आणि हलणाऱ्या सावल्यांचा एक विस्मयकारक खेळ तिथे जणू चालू असायचा. So in this way, student, that place was really beautiful, and that's why people were attracted towards that place. And our astrologer was doing his business near that place. This suited the astrologer very well for the simple reason that he had not in the least intended to be an astrologer when he began his life. Actually, the person who is now working as an astrologer, he didn't want to be an astrologer in his life. की आयुष्याच्या सुरुवातीला ज्योतिषी बनण्याचा अजिबात हेतू नव्हता. Because he knew more of what was going to happen to others than he knew what was going to happen to himself next minute. Because this astrologer, he was not aware what will happen to him, and now he has to predict about the future events of others. की त्या ज्योतिषाला स्वतःच्याच आयुष्यामध्ये पुढच्या क्षणी काय घडणार आहे याची कल्पना नव्हती. तिथे त्याला आता दुसऱ्याच्या आयुष्यामध्ये भविष्यात कोणत्या घटना घडतील हे आता त्याला सांगणे भाग पडत होते. And so because of all these things, he didn't want to be an astrologer. He was as much a stranger to the stars as were his innocent customers. Because you know that common people, they are not aware about the study of stars, and in the same way this astrologer was also having very little knowledge regarding the stars. की सामान्य व्यक्तींना जसं ग्रहताऱ्यांविषयीचं संपूर्ण ज्ञान नसतं, तशाच प्रकारे ह्या ज्योतिषाला देखील ग्रहताऱ्यांविषयीचे संपूर्ण ज्ञान नव्हते. Yet he said things which pleased and astonished everyone. That was more a matter of study, practice, and shrewd guesswork. Though that astrologer was having little knowledge about the stars, even though he was running his business with the help of his study, practice, and shrewd guesswork, की जरी त्या ज्योतिषीला ग्रहताऱ्यांचे संपूर्ण ज्ञान नव्हते तरी देखील स्वतःचा अभ्यास, त्याचबरोबर रोजचा सराव आणि धूर्तपणे अंदाज व्यक्त करण्याची त्याची खूबी, या गोष्टींमुळे तो त्याचा व्यवसाय व्यवस्थितरित्या चालवत होता. All the same, it was as much an honest man's labor as any other, and he deserved the wages he carried home at the end of the day. की इतर कुठल्याही प्रामाणिक माणसाने करावे तशाच प्रकारचे कष्ट हा ज्योतिषी करत होता, आणि दिवसअखेरीस जी काही कमाई होत होती, त्याच्या कष्टाचं, मेहनतीचं जे काही फळ मिळत होतं, ती सर्व कमाई तो घरी घेऊन जात होता. So, in this way, this astrologer was helping his family with the help of his own business. Now, students, let's focus on what happened in the past life of this astrologer. Actually, he had left his village without any previous thought or plan. की खरे पाहता या ज्योतिषीने कोणताही निश्चित असा विचार किंवा योग्य योजना न आखता आपले गाव सोडून तो आलेला होता. If he had continued there, he would have carried on the work of his forefathers, namely tilling the land, living, marrying, and ripening in his cornfield and ancestral home. So, if this astrologer, if he stayed at his house, he has to do the same things as per his forefathers. की जर तो त्याच्याच गावामध्ये राहिला असता तर त्याला त्याच्या पूर्वजांचा जो काही व्यवसाय होता तोच करावा लागला असता. So but finally he decided to left his village, and that was not to be. He had to leave home without telling anyone, and he could not rest till he left it behind a couple of 100 miles. आणि हा जो काही ज्योतिषी आहे त्याला त्याचा वडिलोपार्जित किंवा पूर्वजांच्या घरात आयुष्य घालवायचे नव्हते आणि त्यामुळेच कोणालाही न सांगता तो घर सोडून बाहेर पडला होता आणि जवळजवळ शेकडो मैल त्याच्या स्वतःच्या गावापासून दूर आलेला होता. To a villager it is a great deal, as if an ocean flowed between. So if you just consider the life of any common villager, this achievement can be considered as if he had crossed a big ocean. की एखाद्या सामान्य गावकऱ्याच्या दृष्टीने हा पल्ला गाठणे म्हणजे जणू काही समुद्र पार करण्या इतकीच मोठी गोष्ट होती. This astrologer was using simple tricks to attract his customers. He had a working analysis of mankind's troubles such as marriage, money, and the tangles of human ties. की मानवाच्या ज्या काही सामान्य समस्या आहेत की जसे लग्न, पैसा आणि मानवी नात्यांमधील जी गुंतागुंत आहे या सर्व गोष्टींचे व्यावहारिक ज्ञान या ज्योतिषीला होते. Long practice had sharpened his perception, and within 5 minutes he understood what was wrong. And due to his lot of practice, he can understand the people within 5 minutes. की दररोजच्या आणि प्रदीर्घ अशा सरावामुळे त्याचे ज्ञान वाढत गेले होते आणि कमीत कमी 5 मिनिटाच्या आतच तो त्या व्यक्तीची समस्या देखील समजून घेत होता. He charged 3 pice per question, never opened his mouth till the author had spoken for at least 10 minutes, which provided him enough stuff for a dozen answers and advices. So this astrologer was not opening his mouth until he listened his customer for 10 minutes. की त्याचे जे काही ग्राहक आहेत ते जवळजवळ 10 मिनिटे बोलल्याशिवाय हा ॲस्ट्रोलॉजर आपले तोंड उघडत नव्हता. When he told the person before him, gazing at his palm, in many ways you are not getting the fullest results for your efforts. 9 out of 10 were disposed to agree with him. आणि 10 मिनिटे समोरच्या व्यक्तीचे बोलणे ऐकल्यानंतर ज्योतिषीला सल्ला देण्यासाठी भरपूर माहिती प्राप्त होत असे आणि तो त्यानंतर समोरच्या व्यक्तीचा तळहात निरखून पाहत तो त्याला सांगत असे की तुमच्या कष्टाच्या तुलनेत तुम्हाला हवे तेवढे यश प्राप्त होत नाही आणि ज्योतिषीने असे बोलताच जवळजवळ 10 पैकी 9 जण त्याच्या या मताशी सहमत होत होते. Or he questioned, is there any woman in your family? Maybe even a distant relative who is not well disposed towards you. And then he also asked another question to that person, that your family is having one woman, and you are not having a friendly relationship with that woman. की तुमच्या दूरच्या नातात किंवा तुमच्या कुटुंबामध्ये एखादी अशी स्त्री आहे की जिचे तुमच्याशी सलोख्याचे संबंध नाही आहेत. Or he gave an analysis of character. Most of your troubles are due to your nature. How can you be otherwise with Saturn where he is? You have an impetuous nature and a rough exterior. आणि त्याचबरोबर तो समोरच्या व्यक्तीला सांगत असे की तुमचे बहुतेक त्रास हे कदाचित तुमच्या स्वभावामुळे घडून येत आहेत, कारण आता तुमच्यावरती शनीची छाया पडलेली आहे आणि त्यामुळेच तुमचा स्वभाव आणि तुमचे बाह्यरूप वेगळे दिसत आहे. This endeared him to their hearts immediately, for even the mildest of us loves to think that he has a forbidding exterior. And so, because of these common questions, people were attracted towards him. They were really impressed by the knowledge of this astrologer. की अशा काही निवडक प्रश्नांमुळे सामान्य लोकांना त्या ज्योतिषीविषयी आदर वाटत असे आणि त्याच्या बोलण्यावरती सामान्य व्यक्ती लगेचच विश्वास ठेवत होता. सो इन दिस वे स्टुडंट्स, वी डिस्कस्ड about the remaining part of this lesson. So thank you, my dear students. We will continue our discussion regarding the remaining part of the lesson with the help of next video. So keep your watching, keep your learning.